Guys, my shop is a disaster. That's the parts to go in the guitar cabinet, put the walls in it, and there's the carpet for it. Got to get that done. Soldering station, computer, well there, a bunch of stuff that came in. Got guitars in the cabinet, parts in the drawers. This is the bathroom and the paint room, and it's on the corner in the right. That's right, just like Rita said. All my storage up there, storage there. I got my amplifier put together, ready to go. I'm coming around, I got these plastic bodies and stuff. I'm gonna take a plastic body and that put together, make a guitar. Got one there to work on, got a switch to put in it, got parts in all these drawers. The relationship nightmares up there, and what I made out of it is right there. A Plasticaster, Ambrosia, Avril Lavigne Telecaster, a Chender, yep, a Chender, and some stain practicing. Here's all the tools. There's bench critters. Coolest thing in the world to put your guitar on to work with. I promise you that. Got tape from StewMac. The StewMac holder holds them, and the other ones are the same holder, and it's just a different color, and it was a little cheaper. Got all my tools down here. All my finishing stuff up there. Got planes over there. All that good stuff. Yeah. My workbench that I built right here. I got a offset guitar kit under there I'm fixing to build. And yeah, my vise on this end. Y'all excuse the mess around here. It's a mess right now because I'm working. Out in the working shop, I got storage on all this wall around through here. Whole bunch of parts for Shopsmiths around here. Whole bunch of other parts, reel-to-reel machines and prospecting equipment. Okay, and here's the stretch bandsaw that I took apart, cut, stretched it apart, and made it taller. So it cuts bigger now. And then there's another one that's just like it, but it hasn't been stretched. And here's a sander I'm building on right now. It's going to be a flat deck sander, flat sander. The deck's going to be here, and you're going to sand right across the top of it because I'm working with veneers. So this Shopsmith is set up for a bandsaw and a sander. This one is set up for the bandsaw, the circular saw, and a little work table here I use. This one's set up with my belt sanders on that end. And over here I put buffing pads, but I got them in bags put up. I don't want them to get dirty. And down there's my joiner that I use. Oh, there's the dust collection pipe. Y'all see that going across there? Yep, that's a fence post. This is a CNC room that I use when I'm cutting the small stuff. I do the screens for the square gulf on this one. There's my router table, sanding table, all that downdraft and all that good mess. This is all the parts for a little rolling around cart that I carry my little tools on. And here's my big drill press that I built. And here's my rebuilt CNC machine I made that runs off of this touchscreen right here. And everything's on it. Got dust collection and all the stuff. And then over there, that's all. That end over there gets all into all the yard stuff and all the junk. You see that sewing machine on that top shelf up there? It's going to be a pickup winder when I get done. And right now I got a mess and it's dirty. Welders here, vacuums, my hose I vacuum the floors up with, my tape storage, my tape, extra monitor from what's going on in the other room. I need to finish these walls, never have got that done. Got the mini split, got guitar cases everywhere. Got all the finishing supplies are up there for the most part. Got a little bit of wood stacked up here for some projects. There's some sycamore that I make that one-piece bass out of. And here's some ambrosia maple, box elder. There's the computer. And there's my little amp. Like I say, there's the big amp set up, ready to go. So I'm putting on my coat. I'm going in the house. It's time to go to the house for the night. But I just want to give y'all a little look around so you can see what kind of disaster I'm in. I got this here videotape from Alaska. Modern day gold rush. Guess what? I'm in 16 episodes of that sucker. Yep. I got fine art. I got guitars. I got those two bodies on the shelf up there are Sycamore. That bass is Sycamore. All of them built out of slabs. So, yeah. And that saw on the top shelf right up there, that was my great-grandfather's saw that he used to cut big old oak trees down and made barrels. Got a little light so y'all can see me when I do my videos. Okay, guys, that's a little look around the shop. It's a mess right now, but it'll look better soon. I got to get clean because I got some guitars to build. I got a plan, and we're fixing to start. And I got a new brand. Yeah, Spike's got a new brand of guitars, and they're going to be mine. I got material coming to do it that I got to go pick up my veneers, and then the rest of the stuff is pretty much getting ready to get done. So I got to bend the sides. I got to mold the tops. Put it all together, make it work, and make these funny little iron harnesses, and then get it in that little F-hole. So it's going to be fun, but we'll make it happen somehow. So, hey, y'all be good. Take care.